Section 18 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 5, November 1897. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. A Winter Nest. Pallid wan-faced clouds press close to the frozen pines and follow the jagged lines of fence that the sleet enshrouds. Sharp in the face of the sky, gaunt thin-ribbed leaves are blown. They rise with a shuddering moan, then sink in the snow and die. At the edge of the wood a vine still clings to the sleeping beech, while its stiffened tendrils reach a nest and round it entwine. A little grey nest all alone, with its feathery lining of snow, where bleak winds piping low croon a sweet minor tone. Nora A. Piper. End of section 18. This recording is in the public domain.